Listen to me, Roberto.
Okay.
After 1 hour, will be arrive in station Qatar.
What's the meaning of the Qatar?
Qatar, Roberto, Qatar.
Who's Qatar?
Hey, Roberto.
Train, Paolo.
Okay?
What's your name of your school?
السعدية بويز.
Are you from Serbia?
Yes.
Sure. Okay.
Will be arrive in station after 1 hour Qatar.
Yes.
When the Qatar arrive the station, Roberto, go the Qatar.
Yes.
And stop. Please stop, Qatar. And people, come people. Please sit down, people. People. If people no come with you, again, people. People, I'm crazy.
Yes.
Please sit down. If people no come with you again,
Yes.
people, sit down.
Okay.
Sit down, people.
Okay.
Okay, Roberto.
اوكي باولو.
اوكي.
اوكي بس هنوزع الغنايم ازاي؟
الهاف بالهاف.
وات؟
الهاف بالهاف.
نو 3/4 ليا ربع ليك.
اوكي، اي اجري بسرعة.